Do you wish to live in one of the most happening areas of London? Greenwich Residence is the perfect place for you. The property has vibrant studios furnished with a warm double bed, spacious storage units, a cozy study area, a private bathroom, and a fully fitted kitchenette where you can bake cookies to snack on during an intense study session. You'll get to enjoy unlimited high-speed Wi-Fi, on-site laundry facilities, and 24-hour security without any extra utility bills to worry about, making it an ideal stay for students under a fixed budget. Greenwich Residence has a stylish and airy social lounge where you can unwind at. Don't hesitate to snuggle up with your besties on the comfy sofas to watch your favorite movies while munching on a little something from the vending machines after giving your all in the property's fully equipped gym. Got a group assignment bugging you out? Drag your friends to the communal study area to get your brain juices flowing. Located only 10 minutes away from Ravensbourne University and the University of Greenwich, this property has terrific shopping centers and leisure hubs, helping you make the most of your time here. Melomaniacs are going to have a blast with the world-famous O2 located a stone's throw away. Greenwich has everything you need and much more. Book your stay with amberstudent.com today.